In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to an article, making your content more dynamic and engaging for your readers. So, whether you're working on a new article or you have an existing one that needs a bit of enhancement, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll either need to create a new article or open one that you've already started. Now, this step is essential because it gives you a clean slate or a clear context for where you're going to embed your video. Once you have your article open, take a moment to think about where exactly you'd like the video to appear. It's a good idea to position the cursor in a spot where the video complements the text, perhaps where it elaborates on a point or provides a visual break. Now let's get into the editor. Look for the CMS content button. That's your gateway to adding media. Once you've clicked on it, a few options should pop up and you'll want to select media. This is where all the magic happens. If your video isn't uploaded yet, don't worry, just click the upload button. You should see an option to choose a video file from your computer. Take a moment to locate and select the file you want to upload. Keep in mind that having the right video can significantly boost the engagement of your article. After your video is uploaded, it's time to select it. You'll usually see a preview or a list of media files you've uploaded. Choose the video you want and then select embed from the pop-up menu. Doing this adds the video to your article, but we're not quite finished yet. We'll need to set the dimensions for how the video will appear, adjust the width and height so it fits well with your article layout. Consider the reading experience. You want the video to be big enough for impact, but not overwhelming. Next, click Insert Media. This will place the video into your article, nestled right in where you positioned that cursor earlier. Lastly, don't forget to save your work. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work and the enhancements you've made are reflected in the live article. Now, with your video successfully embedded, your article is ready to deliver an enriched experience to your audience. So that's it. By following these steps, you not only make your article more enticing, but also more informative by providing multimedia context. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.